Welcome back to Dimension Trader. My name is JT. Our channel is dedicated to help the trader like you to improve your trade result in 7 days. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below to let us know what area do you want us to share in a future video so we can better understand how can we help. Alright, let's begin. Today we are going to share about the backtesting. We have been share about the trading setup, and we also sharing about what kind of the trading style and the risk you are willing to take before you make your own trading plan. So real quick, we are going to do a quick review about the trading style. For the trading style, according to the Dimension Traders price cycle, once we hit the top and we have the bottom, whatever break create the resistance, whatever break create the support, and in the between is going to be the continuation pattern till we hit the resistance for either going up or break the trend line, going down back to the support area. So this is creating a price cycle for dimension 1, continuation for dimension 2, bottom for dimension 3, and the first price reversal dimension 4, and support dimension 5. So in the trade, either you are going to be the continuation trader or you're going to be the reversal trader. So continuation trader or reversal trader, this is the way you plan your trading strategy. So there's a lot of the strategy out there. That doesn't matter which one you adapt to, but make sure you follow your own trading plan according to continuation or reversal. All right, and according to the 4-hour day, we are looking about 100 pips in the risk, and hourly 30 minute, we are looking about 50 pips risk. So on to 15 and the 5 minute, this is going to be between 5 to 20 pips risk. So this is good for long term, this is good for mid term, and this is good for short term, which is scalping. All right, so we have the continuation and reversal trading style. Now we identify what kind of the risk you are willing to take in your account. Okay, if you have account size of $100 and you are risking 2% of the account, this is equal $2 of your account. For the long term, 100 pips risk is equal $10. This is for long term. 50 pips is for $5 mid-term, and 20 pips is equal $2 short-term. So according to your account tolerance, this is not going to be the long-term. Your trading style is not going to be mid-term, and we will need to focus on the short-term according to your $2 2% risk calculation. Generally speaking, in the Forex, each 100 pip, each 10 pip is equal to $1. This is how we come up with 20 pip, $2 calculation. So if you have 100 pip, this is definitely going to be $10 risk. This is more than 2%. So we are going to consider what kind of the risk you are going to take before we move on to the trading style you are planning to use. So today's video, we are discussing about the risk you want to take, trading style you are going to use, and we are going to do a couple quick backtesting. According to the backtesting, you can clearly see how your trading plan is going to be put together. And with the backtesting, it's going to help you about what kind of the time section you can trade according to your trading setup. And in this video, we are going to do a couple backtesting. Then you can do the rest of the testing once you find out the best time frame section that's suitable for your trading style. Okay, so in the backtesting, we are going to use the European dollars as an example. This is the most common pair in the dollars pairs, and we are going to start with our latest one. Okay, so we are just discussing about the $2 2% tolerance. Then we are going to focus on the 5-minute and the 15-minute setup. According to the observation, we can use the sections open and section close to form our trading plan. At this point, we are looking for 3:20 GMT time, which is about 3:00 GMT time, which is about Tokyo action section open, which is 5 p.m. PST time, which is my West Coast time. If we are looking for the short term, there is exactly the setup with the trendline break at the 5-minute, and the price come back to the testing the support. According to the dimension, this is definitely going to be the continuation because here is a bottom and we don't have any top forming on the left side yet. Trendline break, pricing coming back, holding with the trendline right here. Trendline break, price coming back, holding the support with the trendline right here in 320 Asian open section. This is a very good strategy for scalping. With the risk, you are looking to get around 5 pip or 10 pip risk just right here. And for target, we can aiming for 1-to-1, 1-to-1 target 1, or 1-to-2 target 2. Okay, so once you hit the target 1, you can always remove your risk to your entry point, remove your stop to entry point, and wait for price to run to the target 2. Close your trade manually or hit the target closing by the system, either way. Once the price comes back to against you, you have no risk, even you did not close at target 2. Or you can just let it run without moving your stop to the entry, have the better setup. For the target 4, target 5, if you feel the trend is going to be moving further after the London section or New York section. But right now we are doing the backtesting, so we are going to focus the time frame between the Asian section to the London section. Between the London Asian section to the London section, we are looking around 3:00 GMT time up to 10:00 GMT time. In this time, we are going to pull a couple testing to see if this particular setup can fulfill our target as a dimension 2 continuation. Also combine with a different time frame to view to see if this is the good qualified setup that we can take. For the first one, May 3rd, Asian section open, we have this setup. At this point, in the same time, we can see at the 15-minute uptrend trend line is holding price, and also they create another one right here, which is this is the time that we are looking at in 5 minutes. Also, in the 30-minute, we have the dimension 1 pricing break up, pulling back to support, create dimension 2, and pricing is moving upward toward to the target 3, which is a gray line right here. That is our 5-minute section right now. At this point, this downtrend trend line already violated. So we are good for one of the sign. Pricing is not hitting the final target yet. Okay, so how do we know it's going to hit the target or not? Of course, we're going to keep looking in a higher time frame to see if there's any sign up here to see which target is going to hit. So we are going to 4-hour chart. We draw the trend line. At the time, the pricing is right here, and trend line be violet. Pricing might expecting moving up to this trend line. So according to those two scenario, we are have more than 50% to confirm pricing is going to be moving up. With the backtesting, we can draw a simple line right here and take down the nodes of the 6 pip risk, 12 pip reward 1 to 2. Take a snapshot. This is going to be your record of the backtesting. In the documentation part, you are free to open up with any document for the doc or Excel to record your backtesting, and just write a quick notes. This is going to be the action section open strategy with 5-minute continuation dimension 2 setup combined with 30 minutes downtrend violet with 4-hour expect hitting downtrend trend line, and we are going to have 6 pips risk, 12 pips target, 12 pips profit. And with this result backtesting, this is a win. Okay, so this is just a quick note. We are doing the backtesting. All right, let's move on to the next step. We are going to do this for a couple times. Then you can pick up your time frame, your favorite setup, your favorite indicator, whatever you want to put together, and combine with the dimension to see which area you are aiming to before you can form your own plan in your own time. Okay, May 2nd. Let me see. May 2nd, we do not have any obviously set up in the Asian time, but we do have some clear setup in 16-17 New York section time. So we are not going to aim this one in the scalping mode for the Asian section, But if we watch closely, we can see, okay, this is a trend line. Pricing is on the uptrend, and we are breaking the downtrend. Pricing coming back to the support. If we draw right here, pricing enter, target 1, target 2, this one barely make it, but coming back to target 1 and fall. So at the time is 6:20. This is actually before the London section. 6:20. This is like halfway through the action before the London already. And right around 4 hours before London open. In this moment, action section, there is a setup. Pricing moving up. Pricing break. Trendline hold. Coming back. This is the 2 hour before London open. Trendline going up. And we are in the resistance area. Okay, resistance area with the dimension 4. Okay, dimension 4 right here. Okay, so if you are looking for long and you see what is going on right here, you will need to be very careful because we are hitting the top resistance, and this long setup scalping, that is one of the reasons you check the multiple time frame. Make sure we are not hitting any trend line along with our direction. So action section before London, this one is long. If you are thinking we still have a little room to going up before we hit the trend line, which is right here, that is totally fine. But make sure you follow the trade management, moving your stop to the entry, and remove your risk as soon as you can. And according to this one, we are going to write down our breaker. Alright, so okay, we are going to take a snapshot and post in our backtesting breaker. We can use the same formula to copy here. Okay, this is the action section, but it's not open, it's not closed. And 5 is continuation dimension setup already confirmed. 30 downtrend almost hit plus dimension for resistance. So this trade, if we take this trade, it's going to be 6 pip risk. No, it's going to be 6 pip risk. Yeah, 1 to 2, 6 and 12. So it's going to be 6 pip risk, 12 pip profit. Result is going to be break even. Okay. Also, if you want to keep clear track record, you will need to add the day on it. So you will come back later on to know which day you are testing on. Okay, now we have the 2 back testing, 1 win and 1 break even. Now let's do a couple more. Alright, right here There's a trend line, no break, nothing going on. Asian Open, London section. Okay, right here is actually setup happen after Asian close. So Asian close London section, pricing break the trend line, break, pulling back 1035. Let's see. 1035 right at the London Open. This is an action scalping backtesting. So with the London Open, we are going to skip it. So which means May 1st, no setup in the London section. Okay, but we can take a real quick pick. When the London section break, pricing coming back. At this point, pricing hitting the bottom, and this bottom in a higher time frame is right here. Okay, this is a bottom, and if we go to hourly, we can see there's a support. There's a bottom, breaking trend line, support, dimension 5. Okay, dimension 5 is reversal, and we found this one right at London Open. So with the trend line forming, bingo. Okay, so this is going to be a combination of the trend line hitting at London right at the dimension 5 where the support is, with trend line break coming back to the support in the 5 hour, scalping 1 to 1, 1 to 2, so on. Okay. But with action, May 1st, no setup in action, but there's a setup for London. We can take a note for this, which is not in our action section backtesting, but this is good to know. We have the similar setup in London. Okay, May 1st. This is London section open. Alright, and 5 minute is right at dimension 1. And 30 minutes uptrend hit with support for dimension 5 reversal. Risk is going to be 10 pip and 20 pip. As a result, this is a win. But remember, London section, action section, different time frame, different trading style, different habit, and your schedule. You have to be reconsidered if you want to trade different section in different time. Okay, because sometimes we can only stick in one section at a time. If you stick in multiple sections, sometimes your profit will come back to the loss if you're trading too much in the same day. So stick your trading schedule for every day. This can help you a lot to eliminate your loss. All right, let's go back to previous day. April 30. London section, no, action section, 3 o'clock. Bingo, okay. We have trendline break, we have resistance, we have downtrend trend line right at Asian section. Pricing coming back, stop can be reasonable high around 5 pip. That's good. All right, so this is going to be dimension 1 right in 5 minutes, where it's going to be look like in higher time frame. Higher time frame, we have trend line and big picture resistance. And 15 minutes, we got a dimension 1 right here. Dimension 1 in the 5 minute, downtrend trend line hold, and 30 minute. 30 minute is looks similar to the 15 minute. All right. Okay. So down to 30, the trend line already tell us a lot. We don't have to go any further. We have good enough information to make our back testing right now. All right. This is gonna be April 30. Asian section. 5 minute is dimension 1. 15 minute is dimension 1 with downtrend trend line hold at resistance. And the risk 5 pip, 1 to 2, 10 pip. Result win. Alright. April 30 action section double combination with resistance trend line. Okay. Resistance trend line dimension 1 pulling back. All right. So April 30 action section fulfilled. All right, keep going. Right here, April 29, which is the weekend gap. Weekend gap is a very good sign when you see anything going on for the dimension area. But for the gap, this is happened right before 3 o'clock. So here is action section. Action section open. 00 is which your New York section close, but the trade open right around 2:30, 3 o'clock in Pacific time, which is right around here. The market open after the weekend. Okay, but what we can see clearly, we see the support. We see trend line break and expecting trend line hold right here. Pricing gap down to the support. If we hitting the entry, this is going to be 14 pip risk, 28 pips reward. Higher time frame, confirm with the area. We have Let me see. Okay, this is more like a middle of nowhere where we have dimension 2 area, where there's dimension 1 down here, dimension 1, and we got a continuation coming back to dimension 2 before you moving up. With hourly, we have 1, 2, and we hit top 3. So here is dimension 3, 2, 4. And here is dimension 1. Okay, so right at the time we are hitting dimension 2 continuations support line at the open. Okay, so we also can find trend line right here. Okay, so this is the time where we have the setup in 5 minutes right above the trend line. Good to confirm we are longing on this position with this trend line just for this 2 time frame. And we are not aiming too high on the target, but if you are looking to higher reward, you will need to check if we have any higher trend line holding on your way. At this point, we might have the trend line holding on your way at hourly. So if you want to trade at this point for long, this is the space you are expecting to take your profit out right away before you hit the trend line. So that's the dimension 4 area resistance. So this is going to be the way I see the chart, resistance downtrend, and how high the price is going to be moving toward. Alright, so 13 pip, 26. Let's take a note. April 29. April 29. Asian section is gonna be the right at open. And M1 5 minute is gonna be dimension 3, which is the button. And 30 minute is going to be dimension 2 up trend line hold at support. Where is the dimension 2 continuation? Result 13 pip, 26 result win. Okay, so far beside the London section we have 1, 2, 3, 4 backtesting so far. Okay, but we done 5 backtesting include this London section open. So far we have 1, 2, we have 1, 2, 1 win, 1 break even, 2 win, 3 win, Asian section, 3 win, 1 break even. Okay, so I think that's pretty much good for today's video. If you want to keep working on the backtesting for your trading plan, trading setup, you feel welcome to continue the way I'm showing today, or you have better way to confirm your setup in the particular section according to the dimension continuation or reversal area. If you take one thing or two today, please feel free to subscribe, share, like, and comment below. Any questions, let me know what you want me to help you to review in the future's video, which pairs and strategy that you are interested in to see if we can apply into the price cycle. That's pretty much about weekend's video review on the backtesting. We will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.